This video will save you a lot of money you put on cleaner. This video will help you to make multi-purpose cleaner at just 10 rupees. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell button for further notifications. Hi friends, welcome to Hobby Chiku TV. This is me Pranat. In this video I am going to show you how to save money and save earth from harmful chemicals too. This sounds great, right? Yeah, I am going to show you how to make bioenzyme. So basically, bioenzyme is a multi-purpose cleaner. You can use it for hair wash, face wash, toilet cleaner, floor cleaner, to clean the vessels and many more. The materials required for making bioenzyme are a airtight plastic container with a wide mouth, water, any citrus peels. You can use orange, mosambi, pineapple, lemon, etc. Today I have used lemon peels and jaggery. You can use brown sugar, palm sugar, but you cannot use white sugar. The process of bioenzyme will take 3 months. The bioenzyme is mainly about fermentation. The first month will have a different type of fermentation and the remaining 2 months will have a different type of fermentation. In the first month, there will be a lot of gases, so we have to release them. This type of fermentation is called aerobic fermentation. So in the remaining 2 months, no gases will be formed. So the lid should be airtight. You can keep the container anywhere except under direct sunlight. The ratio to make bioenzyme is 10:3:1. Which is nothing but 10 times water, 3 times peels and 1 time jaggery. Even though we are using 10 times water, we should have a airtight container that is at least big to hold 15 times of water. I am going to take 60 grams of jaggery. (180 grams of lemon peels), and 600 ml of water. And close it tightly. Take a marker and write the date. For the first month, you have to open and close the lid daily to release the gas. For the remaining 2 months, you don't need to do anything, just keep it as such. This is how the bioenzyme looks after 3 months. There will be no odor, it will have a nice pleasant smell. Now let's filter it. This is the clear enzyme. Now we are going to grind the peels. What we get from it is the pulpy enzyme. This is how the pulpy enzyme looks after grinding. This is the clear enzyme. Pulpy enzyme is used for toilet cleaning, tiles and places where there are high salt deposits. Clear enzyme is used for hair wash, car wash, fertilizers, floors and many more. For floor cleaning, you need to mix 50 ml of clear enzyme in 5 litre of water. The ratio of making hair wash is 1:1, which means 1 cup of clear enzyme and 1 cup of water. You can use it like this, but it will not give you foam. If you need foam, you need to add soap nuts. The ratio is 1:1:1, which means 1 cup of clear enzyme, 1 cup of water and 1 cup of soap nut. You need to open and close them for 10 days and your hair wash is ready. See the foam forming. The ratio of vessel cleaners is 1:1, which means 1 cup of clear enzyme and 1 cup of water. Hope this video will save you a lot of money and save Mother Earth too. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you friends next time. Bye.